Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your Netflix profile picture icon. So go to this who's watching, manage profiles, and you're going to select your profile that you want to change the icon to. Select edit profile, and then you're going to select edit profile icon. And there's a bunch that you can choose from. There's one from the classics, Squid Game, Lucifer, Money Heist, Stranger Things, Dark, Lupin, I don't know how to pronounce that, Outer Banks, The Believers, Leo, Arcane, Heartstopper, Bridgerton, Sex Education, The Crown, Black Mirror, Wednesday, Avatar, The Last Airbender, One Piece, The Umbrella Academy, Orange is the New Black, Rob, BoJack Horseman, Sonic Prime, The Witcher, Rebel Moon, All and Ratu. Okay, it's in Indonesian, so it's Ali Ratu. Okay, Cobra Kai and the Sea Beast. Just select the one you want for your icon. Let's do one from Bridgerton. I like this one, and then you're just going to press save. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.